Good evening, friends, on this day of Mahila Din ya Nari Din, and of course, Women's Day. Uh, this is very important. The reason is that we are not saying Female Day, but Women's Day. Uh, तो बात ऐसी है that Women's Day is said so because actually in some way it is a gender day rather than a biological sex day. And it is said so uh, in the honor, in the respect, in the commemoration of the social idea of being a woman. And gender is a social construct. And what has happened for years together is that just because women biologically having relatively, the word relative is very important, less muscular power, she had to suffer the tyrannies, the exploitations from the so called males or men who are having more amount of muscular power due to the virtue of biology. So, this day is we are all celebrating in the realization that there should be a fairness and justness with the women and a feeling of equality and not inequality. The feeling of we rather than you and me from a male standpoint of view. And to decrease all this injustice, to respect her, to honor her, because gender is a social construct. And that's why uh, it should be realized that something called androgyny or androgynous nature is present in almost each and every man oblique male, okay, or woman oblique female, androgynousness. We will see this in the next video. What does androgyny mean? And also seeing some different things related to women. Okay, stay tuned.